Students, this is Sivakumar, 12th standard Business Mathematics and Statistics, chapter number 4, continuation of exercise 4.5. Now, problem number 8. Solve d squared minus 3d plus 2 into y that is equal to e power 3x, which shall vanish for x equal to 0. That means, solution for this equation, you know very well, y is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. That y shall vanish for x equal to 0. Vanish means it becomes 0. That is, when x equal to 0, y equal to 0. When x equal to log 2 also, y equal 0. That is the meaning of vanish. Okay. Here is the question. As usual, you start with auxiliary equation. Replace the d by m. Replace d by m. So you will be getting m squared minus 3m plus 2 is equal to 0. Then factorize 1 into 2, that is equal to 2, and the coefficient of m, that is equal to minus 3. Product to 2, you know very well, 2 and 1. For getting minus 3, introduce minus for both the numbers. Add the two numbers, minus 3, multiply the two numbers, plus 2. Then, for getting the linear factors, the coefficient of m squared to be written in numerator into the variable m into m. So, 1 into m minus 2, m minus 1. m minus 2 into m minus 1 equals 0. Product of these two equals 0 means either m minus 2 equal to 0 or m minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, m equals 2, minus 2 comes right hand side plus 2, like that. Minus 1 comes right hand side plus 1. So, we have two different values. You consider them as m1 and m2. m1 equals 2 and m2 equals 1. Therefore, roots are real and unequal. Therefore, the complementary function equals a into e power m1x plus b into e power m2x. e1, e power m1 value 2, so 2x, m2 that is equal to 1, 1x. This is a complementary function. Now we have to find out particular integral. Particular integral equals 1 divided by the expression which is inside the brackets to be written in the denominator, d squared minus 3d plus 2 into what is in the right hand side, exponential function e power 3x into e power 3x. Now replace d by 3. What is the coefficient of x? 3. Replace d by 3. If you replace 3 square is 9 and 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 9, 0, 0 plus 2, 2. So, we are not getting that value 0. So, you can replace d 3 squared 3 into 3 plus 2 into e power 3x equals 1 divided by 3 square is 9 minus 3 3s are 9 plus 2 into e power 3x. These two get cancelled. So, 1 by 2 into e power 3x. Particular integral is over. Now, finally write the solution. Solution, you know very well, y that is equal to complementary function plus particular integral, which implies y that is equal to CF, here it is a into e power 2x, a into e power 2x plus b into e power x plus particular integral, here it is half into e power 3x. Let it be number 1. By data, what is given, which shall vanish means y is equal to 0. That is the meaning of vanish. So, y equal to 0 for x equal to 0. For x equal to 0, y equal to 0. Substitute these two values in equation number 1. 1 implies y that is equal to 0, a into 1 plus b into 1 plus half into 1, since e power 0 equals 1. Listen, if you replace x by 0, 2 into 0, 0, you will be getting e power 0. E power 0 value is 1. So that I have written 1 here. Here also, if you replace x by 0, you will be getting e power 0. E power 0 value is 1. Replace x by 0, 3 into 0, 0, e power 0. E power 0 value is 1. Okay, it's straight away right. So which implies a into 1 a, b into 1 b plus half, that is equal to 0. A plus b plus half, that is equal to 0, which implies a plus b, that is equal to plus of comes right hand side, minus of. Since you are getting that fraction, for eliminating these 2 which is in denominator, multiplied by 2. If you multiply it by 2, 2 into a, 2a, multiplied by 2, 2 into b, 2b. If you multiply it by 2, 2 get cancelled, we are getting minus 1. That is equation number 2. Also, what is given? The same. Shall vanish means already I told you y equal to 0 for x equal to log 2. For x equal to log 2, y equal to 0. For x equals log 2, y equal to 0. Therefore, substitute the values of x and y in equation number 1. Here it is. Y that is equal to 0 plus a is equal to a into e power 2x. 0 equals a into e power 2x. X value is log 2. Plus b into e power x. X that is equal to log 2. Plus half into e power 3x. 3 log 2 equals a into e power, anything before logarithm that should be taken to the power. So you can write log 2 square. E power log 2 as it is. Here, since 3 is before logarithm that should be taken to the power, you will be getting log 2 cube. A e power log, we know that e power log a, that is equal to a. Therefore, e power log, you will be getting 2 square only. These two get eliminated, you will be getting 2 square. 2 square is 4. Plus b into e and log get eliminated, you will be getting 2. Plus half into e and log get eliminated, you will be getting 2 cube. 2 cube, that is equal to 8. That is equal to 0 on the left hand side. So 4 into a, 4a, plus 2 into b, 2b, plus 2 table how many times? 4 times. 4 ones are 4, that is equal to 0, which implies 4a plus 2b, that is equal to plus 4 comes right hand side, minus 4. Okay. Now here 4, 2 and minus 4, each and every number can be divided by 2. If we divide by 2, you will be getting 2, 4 and 2 get cancelled, 2a, 2 get cancelled, b, minus 4 by 2, that is equal to minus 2. This is a new equation, equation number 3. So we have two different equations. Solve that equation 2 and 3. Equation number 2 and 3 write as it is. Second equation 2a plus 2b, that is equal to minus 1. Third equation 2a plus b, that is equal to minus 2. Second equation and third equation. Okay. Now I am going to solve. Both the 2a means both to be eliminated. What would you have to subtract? For subtraction you have to change the sign. Plus become minus, and minus becomes plus. Plus 2a minus 2a get cancelled. 2b minus b, that is equal to b, and minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2, that is equal to 1. I got the value of b. Now substitute the value of b in equation number 2 or 3. I take equation number 2. Therefore, equation number 2 implies 2a plus 2b, b value 1, that is equal to minus 1. 2a plus 2 ones are 2, that is equal to minus 1. 2a, that is equal to minus 1, plus 2 comes right hand side, minus 2. 2a, that is equal to minus 1, minus 2, that is equal to minus 3. Therefore, a, that is equal to minus 3 divided by 2. Okay. Now I got the values of a and b. I am going to substitute the value of a and b in equation number 1. That's all. Therefore, equation 1 implies y equals a value minus 3 by 2 e power 2x plus b value plus b into e power x, b value 1 into e power x plus half into e power 3x plus half into e power 3x. Therefore y equals minus 3 by 2 into e power 2x, 1 into e power x is e power x plus half into e power 3x. That's all. Problem number 8 is over. Book answer, the given for problem number 8 is wrong. This is the correct answer. You change it. Then I'll be teaching the next problem in the next video. Thank you, children.